Alright, so this is a continuation of my last video that I was working on. Okay, okay. Yeah, the last video that I was actually working on. Um let's see. Okay, so I was working on the hooks and where did I left? Okay. So I got the form, the use form to actually bind to the inputs. So I need to bring this button back, and I can now enable the form. I mean, not the form, but the function that was actually executing the post. Um, it's right here. Okay, so we need this. Let's see what else we need from here. We need the dispatch and the reset. So we need all this. Now, we don't need this line of code. When do we need this? Yeah, actually we do. Instead of using that, we're gonna use it like this. To clear out the form, we need to actually we need to call the use form with the initial values. And that's it, I think. We can delete this. So let's make it now look a little bit better than what it does. Alright, so we have that. Let me see. The next line of code. Alright, so this is looking a little bit better now. But this is a okay. Let's actually use this style of coding so we can see the functions correctly. Alright, so this portion of code, we can remove that. So I'm trying to clean this up as much as I can. See, done. Now, see this code down here. I want to retire that, but I'll do that after I finish. Alright, so this function doesn't really need to be here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna create a new folder. Well, not inside that. Let's see if I can. Yeah, but the folder. Wait, what happened? Where's the folder? Alright, we're gonna create a new folder inside the source at the same level as the component, and we're gonna call it hook or hooks. And what we're going to do is, let's say we can extract this to a file. If the system let us do that, move that to a file. There you go. And where is the file? Oh, actually it's here. It's called use form. When I move it to the hook, and this got updated. Perfect. That's nice. Okay, so there you go. So we got use form, and Yeah, I think I can use this hook for whatever form I have. Just great. Okay, so I want to be able to refactor a few things, like for example this here. I want to be able to change that. Instead of saying handle fields change, I can say on. Okay, it's a little bit shorter. I want to be able to change this, but not too sure about it. I want to remove. Let me just move a little bit. I'm just gonna put name, just a little bit better, and for this one, just balance. Okay, so you can change that. Change this. And for the balance, we can say balance, balance, and balance. Let me see. Do I need to update something else? I don't think so. What about this badge? Oh, I'm going to clean that up now. I'll leave it like this for now. I just don't like how it looks, to be honest. It's a little overwhelming to have so much stuff, but it's okay. All right, so let's see. Um, well, let's make sure that I did. Let's make sure that I did not. Oh yeah, I did actually. Okay, so we'll search file directory. Hmm. Did I change? I think I moved this out of this place. Okay, I think I messed up. Oh, okay, I think I know. It might be the. But I'm not really handling anything in the hook. Just a target name, value. Okay, let me see. Let's go with input name. Then we'll have to change that to. Let me pull it. There you go. Thinking like what? Okay, so let's see. So let's say new one. Let's put a number here. Let's add it. And there you go. Invalid will go inside the body of a function. Well, I'm calling hooks right here. I'm calling hooks here as well. So how do we reset the value? Let me think about this. How do we clear the form? Let me see. Okay, so what it's telling me is that I cannot use it there. So let's see. So new, and then 1, 2, 3. Add a new one, and it should be fine. Remove is fine. Remove all of this. Alright, so but I need to clear this form. And this is, I think I need to call that from within. So I'm not sure if I can do it. Let me look. Yeah, hook. I'm guessing that the only way of me doing this will be to actually code it. Just call this and pass in let me see. Let's see, that's the way of doing it. That's the way to do it. It has to be something like that. Can't really be something too complicated. Added it. No. Can I read property name? Now, question is, I can do multiple things on this hook. Because can I return something that would reset it? Let's see, React hook reset form value. So problem. Okay, so use effects. The problem I have is that I need to, let me see, Yahoo set values. Okay, so there you go. Yeah, got it. We can send back, we can package another function here, a third function that I can say, and this function can say set fills, and I can say now that let me see. Should I pass like the initial state? Manage funds. Should I be passing this? Let me see. Use form. And then I need to say here something like reset. And I think I can call this one from here, like this. I can say new, and then 1, 2, 3. Then when I click on this one, that resets. I don't get any errors. Okay, that's actually very cool because I am. So that means that I am delegating a lot of stuff. I could delegate what I want on the hook. It's a function with a whole bunch of different things. But the idea that you can have multiple things here, it's pretty cool. Also, that you show me that I can delete this, and I can say, can use the hook like this, can remove, and I can make it a lot smaller now. There you go. So right there I have two different. Okay, so this one set, you can say set the fields. How can you add documentation to this? Let me see. Let's see. Actually, no. It's easier. All I have to do is just go to use state definition, and I'm sure there's like a whole bunch of things. Now the only thing is that this is giving me this comma thing. I was just wondering, did it break? Definitely not. And so I might need to go to this one better. There you go. So if you use it, let's see, I think this is how you do it. And say use form. Let's see how that shows up. I go to the manage and I hover, I hover over, see what information comes out. Okay. So I go back. Alright, I think we can leave it there for now. But I know that I can actually pass now, return as many different things as I need. It's pretty cool.